I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel a meeting in Google Calendar on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Calendar app on your Android device and then navigate to the meeting on your calendar that you want to cancel. Step 2. Tap the meeting you want to cancel. A window containing the details associated with that meeting opens. Step 3. Tap the vertical ellipses at the top of this window to open a menu. Step 4. Tap Delete in this menu. A window opens asking if you want to delete this event. Step 5. Tap Delete again. Another window opens that asks if you want to send cancellation emails to people who were invited to the meeting. Step 6. In this example, I'll choose to send cancellation emails to help ensure that people are aware the meeting has been canceled. That meeting will be canceled and removed from your Google Calendar and the calendars of anyone else who was invited to it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.